Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use XLOOKUP in Excel in just a few simple steps. Click on cell B2, where you want the equals XLOOKUP result to appear. Type the formula equals XLOOKUP, then A2, sheet 2A through A, sheet 2 B through B, and press enter. The function looks up the value in A2, searches for it in column A of sheet 2, and returns the matching value from column B. 100 appears. Click the fill handle in the bottom right corner of cell B2 and drag it down to cell B6. Release to copy the formula down, and Excel automatically adjusts each row's equals XLOOKUP value. The matching results populate for each product ID. Click the Sheet 2 tab to view the equals XLOOKUP table the formula is referencing. If XLOOKUP returns a number sign NA error, check that the value you're searching for exists in your lookup column. The function is case-insensitive, so product 1 and product 1 are treated as the same. You can add a fourth argument to specify what to return if no match is found. For example, ending your formula with not found. XLOOKUP searches from top to bottom by default, so if you have duplicate values, it'll return the first match. And that's how to use XLOOKUP in Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.